witnessing a massive surge in artificial intelligence adoption. From startup to large IT companies, AI tools are becoming a part of everyday work. But while this growth is opening new opportunities, it is also raising concern among employees. Many reports suggest that automation may replace repetitive jobs in sectors like customer support, data entry, and even basic coding. At the same time, companies are hiring skilled professionals in AI, machine learning, and data science. The real question is, are we ready for this transformation? Experts believe that upskilling is the only way forward. Learning AI tools, improving analytical thinking, and adapting to technology will decide the future workspace. India stands at a crucial turning point. This is not just a technological shift, but a complete change in how we work and think.